That's right.
Does she normally laugh like this?
Yes. That's what she did in church
Little ones laugh so much. She's 5 months.
Don't stop, Dad.
That's crazy.
Is that funny?
Yes, so tickled.
She just keeps going. She won't stop.
See, that's what she did in church Sunday with little Maria de la Cruz.
Do it again, Dad. Do it again.
Oh my goodness.
Stop it, Charlie.
That is hilarious. I've never seen a little baby do that. It's unlikely how she do that. Tap on Miss.
There you did. You said her laugh like that. Amy, you are too funny.
You're a man. Go, go.
I know, you think your daddy's the funniest. Is your daddy the funniest? Your daddy's funnier than mommy is.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Oh my.
You're getting way too loud.
Strong legs. You got strong legs.
Oh, we gotta do it till she stops.
Is he not funny anymore? Is he not funny?
Are you tired? That's hilarious.
That is, isn't it? See, Sunday, little Maria was in church, and she just turned around and looked at Ava, and Ava cackled like that. There was something, you know.
That's funny.
That's what we get that recorded. What is his V5?
He's pretty wound up there.
How long she been doing that? That's
That was
hilarious.
a long time.
You have anything to say about that?
What can I say? Daddy's funnier than mama.